Happy New Year. To help you and your students continue learning, whether it be in person or online, to help your students with their social emotional needs as well as their mental health well-being, we are offering 2 upcoming workshops that I really want you to hear about. And one is on January 12th. It's Wednesday for 90 minutes. ADHD accommodations and intervention strategies. And then there's the 5-day, 90-minute online tools inspiring action, social, emotional, and executive functioning training. It's the information and the resources really needed to help these kids feel in control, self-regulate, learn to focus, and for you to be able to say, even in the midst of COVID, I've got this. My kids are learning, and we're launching right through this mess. And when we come out of it, we're going to be stronger and better than ever. Join us. Go to mylearningplan.com, Lisa Navarra, and we'll see you online. Keep up the great work. Chin up, everybody. We've got this.